100 bands, a million haters, Fendi pants with the gators, diamond dance, percolator. Hey, you ain't fucking with no regular. I'm flipping bags like a wrestler. Wait.
To be or not to be, not. Hold up, bring the beat back. Stop, I ain't ready yet. Wait.
Hey guys, it's your girl GlamNefercent here, back at it again with the bake at it again. Okay, and as you guys can tell by the title, we are doing a Rosewe try on haul, honey. And I feel like these pieces that I got are great for spring coming up, or Easter coming up, or a date, whatever you want to call it. Honestly, I wanted to do classy because I feel like I always do body, so I wanted to do something classy. So I chose these dresses. Before we get into that, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and press that bell so you can be notified whenever your girl uploads. If you guys are wondering about this beautiful hair, check my previous video. These lashes are also in that video, so 25mm, honey. Yes. So yes guys, if you guys don't know, Rosewe is a clothing brand. They're based in China, and I was a little skeptical with them because I didn't know that they had plus size, but surprisingly they do have plus size, and I was just like, thank God. Okay, but it does go up to XXL, so I believe that's a 18-20 with them. So guys, you got to be careful before you buy. Make sure you look at the sizing chart, make sure you refer to other videos, and see other girls with your body type and would it fit and stuff like that. But so I do have one of the dresses, and it fits perfect, true to size, and I'm excited. So I'm usually a 18-20, and I did choose these myself. So yes, this video is sponsored by Rosewe, and I'm excited guys. Yes, finally some clothes. Okay, so let's get into this thing. This one is the long sleeve cutout front printed sheath dress, and this is in an XXL. The design alone is so cute. I thought it was honestly very, you know, it reminded me of Easter. I thought that was cute. And it does, I believe, yeah, it has a, oh, that split is high. Hold up. Yeah, it has a split that comes all the way up here. Let me just see something real quick, because that's not supposed to be like that. But it fits true to size. I do have a waist shaper on, guys. So I love how this fits. It's like a nice material. It doesn't feel cheap at all. It fits good. It sucks me in good, and I'm just loving it. Okay, like I said, it feels true to size. I love how it feels on the skin. It makes me feel good up here, like it's looking real nice there. Hey. Okay guys, this is the second dress. It was a little hard to put on. It is tight around the bust area. Feels good. I also changed my wig because it was just getting too hot in here. Guys, when you're doing these videos, it get hot in here, like Nelly hot. Okay, so yes, I know I probably look like a little pilgrim. But anyway guys, this is the second dress that I chose. I liked how it looked on the model. So I was like, I wanted to get it. It's something different, something cute. I can't wait to actually wear it. And it's long, it stops at my knees. I think that's very cute. I like it. My butt looks nice and big in it. I wonder if it's see-through. but I like how it feels. It is, like I said, it is tight. I am a 42 triple D, so if you do have bigger breasts than me, this would not be for you. But I like this. It does have a little string here for you to tie. It also came, oh wow, it came with this belt, and let's see if it fits. Not sure if it will. Yeah, this belt is definitely not fitting, so that's a flaw for me. But yeah, like, I don't like that the belt doesn't fit. I don't even know what size this might be, but if the belt fit, that would have helped. That would have been nice, but it does not fit. So yeah, but overall the bottom is good. It's just the top area is a bit tight. I don't know if you guys can tell. It doesn't look too bad. Yeah, like, it doesn't look bad. It looks pretty good, but it is a bit tight. It's not tight around the arms or anything. It's pretty good. Okay, so it's like a pleated material at the bottom, but hey, it's cinching me in nice and good though. I ain't gonna front. Nice and good, honey. Guys, so let me know, what was your favorite dress? This dress I will have on my phone is dying somewhere, but this dress I will have in a description box, okay, and the prices as well. When I looked online, the prices were pretty affordable. I believe they're under $30, but and I think that's amazing. Okay, it is coming from China, so beware and look for what would be your size and stuff like that. But I felt also that the blonde hair went with this more, and I like it. It feels like a nice little Easter church dress. I like it. It's classy, you know. I love it a lot. It's hot in my room, but I know if I was to wear it outside, I would feel comfortable. I love the length and everything. It's just amazing. I liked both of them. That's why I chose them. I love both of them, but I would say the first one is my favorite one. Overall, I am surprised that they have plus size and that it is true to size. I am happy with my two dresses. I will also try more things from them as well. I just wanted to test out the dresses a little bit. So you guys, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, okay? Don't forget to shop with Rosewe, and catch your next video. So first, and keep it coming. GlamNefercent signing. I love you guys.
Killing them, nigga, can you be my witness? God flow every day like it's Christmas. You're a bitch, yeah, you know they always tripping. See, it's
Todd, can you play that again?
My back, my neck, my back, my neck, my back, my neck, my back, my back.